you're wondering what you need in your crochet toolkit, I'm going to be sharing all the essentials with you right here in this video. Welcome to Bella Coco Crochet. I'm Sarah Jane and this is the place to learn crochet and improve your skills. First things first, you will need a crochet hook. I recommend getting started with a 5 or a 5mm crochet hook if you're a complete beginner. You can purchase them on their own or you can get them in a set just like this. These are the Bella Coco Crochet Athena hooks in pink and come in a set of 6, ranging from a 3mm up to a 5.5mm. Scissors. Now, whether you are coming to the end of a project or wanting to change colours, sooner or later you're going to need to snip that yarn. These are amazing because they are super handy to keep in your crochet toolkit because they open up nicely and then fold away once you're done with them. Darning needles come in handy when it comes to sewing in your ends, a slightly irritating but necessary step when it comes to finishing your projects. A tape measure is very important when it comes to doing your gauge swatches, or you need to measure your final project. I like this retractable tape measure because it also comes with this handy little keyring. If you're anything like me, you lose these things all the time, so this for me is an essential. Stitch markers. These are a crochet's best friend. Whether you are a crochet newbie or you've been crocheting for years, marking stitches will make your life so much easier. So where are you going to keep all these tools? Why, in a handy little bag, of course. This one is brilliant at keeping everything together and then converting into a tabletop holder for all of your tools. And then you need yarn. Now, if you're an absolute beginner, then I'd recommend an Aran weight yarn to practice your skills over and over. And then you can move on to something like this. Now, this is a DK weight acrylic yarn, which is super popular amongst crocheters because it creates stunning projects. It's really easy to work with and it comes in fabulous colours. Now, if you're looking at all of these things and thinking, I need those, I have a treat for you. I put together this crochet essentials box packed full of everything I've shown you and more. As well as all of these tools, you'll find a handy pocket-sized reference guide for those times when you just need a little bit of a helping hand. And here's the exciting part. There's a mini magazine with projects designed from Kate from Jellybean Junction. These projects are great for beginners and even those who have lost their crojo and wanting to be guided through some gorgeous projects. And if you're thinking, Sarah Jane, I don't know how to read a pattern, then don't worry, I've got you covered. I've got some exclusive videos that go along with this box to help you through each and every step. This box has been designed to give you all the tools you need, plus all of the yarn that you need to create these amazing projects. Plus, by the end of it, you'll have learned so many new skills. Now, if you want to get started on learning all the fundamentals of how to crochet, this is the video you want to watch next.